Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Well,
some basic concepts for that. The experiment, the probability experiment kya hota hai? Is a chance process that leads to well-defined results called output. Okay, so what is the output? An output is the result of a single trial of a probability experiment. So what is the trial? A particular action or doing something, doing some work, performing something to perform an experiment is called a trial. For example, flipping a coin, it is your action. You are doing something to conduct your experiment. So this is the trial. So flipping a coin is the example of a trial. The result will call the outcome. And mutually, if you flip your coin 10 times, this is called the experiment. That's it. So rolling a die once or the n number. This is the experiment. When a coin is tossed, there are possible two outcomes, head or tail. And similarly, when you are rolling a die, you got 6 numbers. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So on the basis of this, what we can say, we priorly known that the outcome of a die will be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, like this. So total numbers are, how many total numbers you have it? 6. There's a possibility comes to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. And certainly if your die is unbiased, so it's the same chance of occurring each and every number. So each and every number get the same probability. Favorable by total. 1 की favor में कितने हैं? 1 event. अगर वो ही आएगा तो total कितने हैं? 6. So 1 by 6 is the probability priorly you known about this experiment for each number. For 2 you have it 1 by 6. For 3 you have it 1 by 6. And for 6 you have it 1 by 6. Like that. So what about the coin? It's the same thing. Priorly you have an idea. Either the head comes when you flip a coin, when you toss a coin, or a tail comes. So it's the 50-50% chance to come each of them. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That's it. Now some examples over here, my dear. So cumulatively, when you got the all possible outcomes of the experiment, that is called a sample space. This is the example of the sample space. In case of one coin, we have head and tail. So this is the sample space for that. One coin. For die, we have it 1 to 6, a sample space. Means all possibilities you need to cater it out. And that. So the answer of true and false question, certainly it may be the true, maybe the false, like the head and tail, like the binary 0 and 1. So these are some particular examples. You have to note it up. And here, this is a very good example. We have to do it. So they said, find a sample space for the gender of the children if a family has 3 children. So there is a restriction of the 3 children, not more than that, not lesser than that. Fine. हमने sample space calculate करनी है. Use B for the boy and G for the girl. Okay. They said, as an expert, we can say there are 2 genders, male and female, and each child could be either gender. Certainly, 1 by 2 हो सकती है ना? But you have to choose 3 at a time. That's it. So 3 at a time means 8 possibilities. As an expert, I said, and you just listen, but you have an ambiguity. How comes it? How comes these 8 events teacher was saying? So we have to make a tree diagram for that.
thank you very much for watching my video.